Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kate from Airyzy.com. What we got today is Air Jordan 1 off-white Canary yellow sneaker. Firstly, let me show you this box. And see the tag. And see the back. And let's see what's in the box. We've got one zip tag and 3 color of laces: yellow, blue, and orange. It's nice. Okay, let's focus on this pair of sneaker. It is very suitable for summer. Yellow means lively. I like this color very much. As we can see, this part, it is yellow leather and combined with transparent material. Yes, it is in good quality when I squeeze on it or scrape. It is good, still good. And here, smooth stitching all around this midsole. Here as well. And let's move on this tongue. As we can see, it is smooth stitching too, with a Nike Air tag embroidery. It is with white lace. Also, we can replace them with these 3 laces. Very cool. Here, it is special one. Yellow, white wing. Nike logo with this stitching, more like embroidery. And on the midsole, here printed air with black color, and it is a yellow outsole as well. Very colorful. And let's see the inside. White insole. This color combination, let me recall every time on summer we will eat ice cream when we're hot, and it is very comfortable, right? Okay, it is a very simple shoe. Very suitable for dresses and daily looking. Okay, one thing I forgot is that it is printed 85 here. This tape with the outside is white color and the inside, let's see closer look. Very unique design. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. The happy time is always very short. Bye. See you next time.